Understanding, run wild. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have come across, run wild. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means, how to use it, and its context in everyday conversation. When you hear the words, run, and wild, separately, you might think of someone physically running without any direction, or perhaps nature that is untouched and free. Run wild, in its literal sense, can mean 1. Animals moving freely without any restraints. 2. Plants growing abundantly without cultivation. For example, if you visit a forest and see animals moving freely, you might say, "The animals here run wild." In English, we often use phrases figuratively, and run wild is no exception. Here's what it can mean in a non-literal context. 1. Uncontrolled behavior. When someone behaves without restrictions or boundaries. For example, since their parents are away, the kids have been running wild. 2. Letting imagination or thoughts roam freely. For instance, don't let your fears run wild. Everything will be okay. 3. Growing or spreading uncontrollably. For something non-living, such as a rumor. The rumor about the celebrity began to run wild. Let's dive deeper with a few examples. 1. Children. Ever since the teacher left the room, the students have run wild. 2. Emotions. After hearing the news, her anxiety began to run wild. 3. Nature. In this part of the country, the flowers run wild, painting the landscape with vibrant colors. Run wild is a versatile phrase in English that can refer to both literal and figurative scenarios. From animals in nature to our very own emotions and thoughts, it's a phrase that beautifully captures the essence of freedom and uncontrolled growth. We hope this video shed light on its meaning and usage. Remember, the beauty of language lies in its nuances. Happy learning!